Hello and welcome. This is Abdul here with another video tutorial on blogs, how we can bring blogs onto Moodle. All of us may have different web links or blogs or favorite locations on the internet that we visit very often. And in order to visit these places, we may have to go to different links, different web pages. And if we are going to use RSS feeds, we can bring all these favorite places onto a single page. We can organize it in such a way that we can easily access all the updates on a single page. So this is the same way we are going to use in bringing external blogs, in linking external blogs onto Moodle. Let's see how we start with this kind of linking external blogs. First of all, we have to go to rss.app, and here you have to get signed in. You can get signed in with your Google ID. And once you get signed in, you will see this page, home page. So far I haven't created any feeds at all. So let me start creating a new feed. Click this. And as you see on this page, there are several items that you can create in feed for. We can create feed for a web page. We can create feed from a web page to RSS. We can create feeds from Instagram to RSS feed, from Twitter or Facebook. So the list goes on. So different types of items can be linked with RSS, and you can create feeds with these websites, these items. Let us go to web page. Let me go to web page. I'm going to create a feed for this web page, and the page I have selected is Learn English. I'm going to copy this URL and let me paste it here. I pasted it here, and I'm going to generate. Done. Okay, so we have created the link. You can preview it. This is the preview. Let me close this. Okay, and you can copy this URL, feed URL of the feed. Okay, RSS feed. RSS stands for really simple syndication, and syndication stands for passing or exchanging, things like that. Okay, let's see what happens. We have copied the link. Now we can go back to our Moodle for Teachers site. Let me go back to my page, and on your course page you can find your name on the right. Under preferences you have the user link, and when you click the user link, you can go to blogs. Under the blogs we have three icons. You just go to the register an external blog link. You click it. I'm going to register it, and we have already copied a feed. I'm going to paste the feed here. So this feed is being pasted here, and all other items are not mandatory. We can leave it blank. We can do it later. We don't have to fill it right now. And once you copy these things, once you copy these things, one minute. Once you copy these things, you will have to save changes. So whenever we bring in any changes, we will have to save changes. Okay, let us see how we are going to save changes. Copied the feed here. I'm going to save. Okay, so I have created the link and I have already saved it on my Moodle for Teachers webpage. So it's valid. All these things are here. Now, this is the way how you are going to add a external blog onto your Moodle page. Let me see how it works. my courses. I'll show you how these blogs work as a student, how we can use these blog links as a student in the next video. Thank you for watching.